Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use this shelf liner and turn it into an outdoor decor. So stick around so that I can show you this really neat idea. Well, you know that Dollar Tree carries these really pretty glass vases. Well, what I'm going to do with them is just elevate them just a bit more so they can look really nice and sleek for outdoor decor. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is just take this shelf liner and just wrap it around my glass vase. I'm just gonna make sure that I line it up at the bottom, and then I'm just gonna roll it over and then just cut what I need. And now all I'm gonna do is use some of this super glue to glue down my liner onto my glass. And now I'm just gonna fold over the other side and I'm gonna add some more super glue, but I'm also gonna add some hot glue. And now I'm just gonna trim some of the excess material from the bottom and also from the top. And because the shelf liner is rubbery, you don't have to worry about the material fraying. And now I'm just gonna take this regular candle and drop it into my vase. You can also use the LED battery operated ones, and I just may do that, but what I had right now was just this regular candle. And this is how my shelf liner hack turned out. I really love how something so simple can elevate a simple glass vase. All right, well, that's it for this short video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye, and God bless.